Nigeria kwenu, Ali Igbo mano, Igbo State no. Hello guys, my name is Jennifer from Vicat Studio, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to dance the Imo State cultural dance steps. But before that, I would like you to subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share this video. Thank you. Let's deep dive into it. Welcome back to our video. Remember I told you guys I'll be teaching you guys the Imo State cultural dance step. So first step goes like this. Before that, you move with your hands. Your hands and your leg should go together. So it goes like this. In, out, in, out, in, out. Remember, you don't have to stand when dancing. So you have to bend in, out. While the second step goes like this. Your hand and your leg should move together. And should go to your right, to your left, to your right, to your left. Please don't think this dance is hard. It's very easy. So that is that for the second step. While the third step goes like this, your leg go front, back, front, back. So it's like this. And you should move with your hands. Then smile. So that is that for the third step. While the fourth step is like this. Your hands and your legs should be moving before your waist. So it should be like this. It should be like this. It should be like this. So that is that for the fourth step. While for the fifth step, it's going to be the same thing with the fourth step, but in a very different way. So it should be like this. You raise your legs and your left hand. Then you move to the right. You raise your leg again with your right hand. Then you move again to the left. You raise your hand with your left. You raise again with your left hand. And let's combine them together. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Vicat Studio. Like and share this video also. And don't forget, I'll be bringing more Igbo dance steps. I love you guys. Thank you.